My name is Jeff Baumann. I live on the north side of Holland. When our vehicles are down, we can't make any money. So it's very important to find someone who can fix our vehicles right away and fix them right the first time. I've been coming to Westside for 6 or 7 years. We were looking for a company that could manage our whole fleet, and that's very hard to find. I feel like I'm treated very professionally and that they understand the urgency of the situation and always try to get it done the first day for us. The reason I trust Westside Auto is I know Terry, the owner, and I never question whether he's doing the right thing or the wrong thing because I know it's always the right thing for myself personally and for our business. Our vehicles have changed tremendously since we started coming here, and I feel like they have stayed up on that. As a business owner, I just need it done, and they honor their end of the bargain every time.